In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to change your age from under 13 to 13 plus on Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is launch Roblox, and now go over to the left hand side and click more. Now go down to settings. Now go to account info. And now you need to add a parental recovery email. So if we do this and then add one of your own. Once you've chosen the email you want to use, you need to go into emails and then press add my email. You'll then be greeted with a screen that says thank you, your email has been verified, enjoy a free hat. So now that's done, you can go back to your computer, press OK, and then you need to refresh it. So now it's verified. What we can do is we can go to our birthday, press edit, and then we'll put this to 2000. Now we'll press continue, and now we'll have to verify our ID. So if we click that, we can now press start session. Now we need to follow these steps here. If you want to see a full video on how to verify your account on Roblox, click on the top right corner now. And if you follow those steps, you can go back onto Roblox and you'll now have a 13 plus account. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.